In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Audible book on Amazon. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to Amazon.com. Once you arrive at Amazon's homepage, take a moment to let your eyes adjust to the layout of the website. You will see a variety of options and categories, but for this process, we are going to focus on the journey within the books section. Now that you are on Amazon's centerpiece, look for the books category. This may be displayed in the main menu or as one of the popular departments on the website. Click on the books section to proceed further. Landing on this page, you will notice that the display is tailored to book lovers, showcasing new releases, bestsellers, and special literary deals. The organized layout is designed to help you find the perfect book based on your interests, and today we are searching specifically for Audible books. With the books section open, move on to using the search functionality. In the search bar, type the term that relates to Audible books. Audible, which is also known for its narrated content, has a significant section on Amazon that caters to audio versions of your favorite titles. Enter a phrase such as Audible books or simply Audible and then press the enter key. The search results that appear will include a list of available Audible books. Take your time to scroll through this list and keep an eye on the cover images and titles, which will give you an idea of the content offered in audio form. After scanning the search results, it is time to select one of the Audible books. Carefully choose an Audible book that captures your interest. Look for details on the product page, including the narration style, the length of the audio, and any additional offers that might accompany the purchase. Evaluating these details will help ensure that the selection is just right for your listening preferences. Once you have decided on the Audible book that best suits your taste, proceed by clicking on it to open its detailed description page. On the product page for your chosen Audible book, locate the option that says "Get this deal." This button is clearly marked and will direct you to the purchasing process. Click on "Get this deal" to initiate the transaction. By doing so, you are effectively confirming your choice and moving forward to the final confirmation of your purchase. The process at this point is straightforward, and you will receive further instructions from Amazon to ensure that your transaction is securely processed. By following this clear and logical workflow, you have learned how to navigate the Amazon website, select the book section, search for Audible books, make an informed selection, and complete your purchase with a simple click. Enjoy your new Audible book and the immersive experience that comes with audio storytelling.